Hi, I'm Leanna. I'm the supervising attorney at West Coast Trial Lawyers, and I manage our intake department. My day-to-day is different. I'm actually a little bit more uniquely situated than most of the attorneys here. I could be sitting at my desk all day, reviewing emails and potential client files, making phone calls with our current clients. I could be dragged into something by our marketing department. I mean, it really just kind of depends. So my title really should be the Swiss Army knife around here. My favorite part about my job, outside of the team itself, is having the flexibility to really have every single day be different. We never know what kind of potential client will come in through the door, who's going to be on the other side of the phone call. So I really am blessed to be in a position where my every single day really, truly is different. The least favorite part about my job, I would say, would be, well, there's two parts. Part of it is the fact that we are a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week firm, which means that we are really just on call every single day, nights and weekends. So the hours can be a little bit challenging when it comes to trying to find a work-life balance. And the second part really is sometimes we just simply can't help someone for various reasons. That's going to be a different video. But I would say that part really is one of the downfalls of this position, is having to decline someone and not being able to help them. I would actually not trade places with anyone in any other department because I really have kind of done it all. I've done the pre-litigation, I've done litigation at a different firm, and there's a reason why I do what I do, and I wouldn't trade places with anyone. What I like to do outside of work is, first and foremost, is hang out with my family, my husband, my baby girl. But I really like to hang out with friends. I like to travel. I love the beach. So it really just kind of depends on the season, the mood, and what I have going on that week.
My name is Roberto Hernandez, and I'm the intake director at West Coast Trial Lawyers. So my day-to-day, I wake up and I cuddle my Frenchie BB. I get ready, head over to work, nice little commute from the San Fernando Valley, and then my day-to-day here at work, talk to potential clients, and I send plans on all of our newly retained cases, both in employment and personal injury, over to the respective departments so that they could handle the case. And then I wrap up and head back over the hill, back to my dog. I'd say my favorite part about my job, I think, is helping people, as cliche as it sounds. I think you genuinely do get that joy when you hear somebody feel relieved when they're speaking to you. Also, it's a very entertaining job because there's a lot of people that call in that really make you laugh. Sometimes they're aggressive, but overall, it's a good time. I'd say those days when potential clients are very rude, just because it's like, what's your problem? Like, first of all, you're calling me, so let's watch the attitude. But other than that, I love my job. Okay, so I would probably go back to litigation. I did litigation for 4 years, and I think I would go back to that department just because obviously I have a really strong foundation in that department. Currently, just spend time with family, friends, try new places. I'm in law school, so really anything that's not law related, I'm enjoying right now because law school and working full-time is a lot. But yeah, anything that has nothing to do with the law.
Hi, my name is Sandra, and I'm one of the intake specialists here at West Coast Trial Lawyers. My day-to-day here would be coming in, following up with emails from the night before, and just catching up on leads. My favorite part of my job is, I would say, it's helping people out. My least favorite part about my job, I would say, is probably being on call 24/7. If I could trade places with anyone else in this department, I don't think I would trade places. I've actually worked in reception before, so I would probably just stick to doing this. Outside of work, what I like to do for fun is going to dinners, shopping, going to the gym, tanning, and just hanging out with family.
My name is Michael, and I'm an intake specialist. So it's typically the first thing I have to do in the mornings is grab some coffee, and then I start checking emails, start returning phone calls, and start trying to see how I can help people. Probably the most important thing, and probably my favorite thing, is I'm always able to help people who are in distress. When people call and they bring, unfortunately, some challenging or misfortunate events that have occurred in their day-to-day life, sometimes it can be very difficult to listen and try to have an understanding. I've been in multiple departments since I started at the firm, but I can't see myself in any other department. I love what I do. When I'm not in the office, I like to stay fit. Usually you can find me at the Thai boxing gym or going out for a run.
Hi, my name is Nicole, and I'm an intake specialist here at West Coast Trial Lawyers. So I am the first of my team that gets in the morning, so I'm here nice and early and, ready to take calls, check emails from the night before, because we get tons of emails all throughout the night. There's accidents that could happen at any time of day or night. So as soon as I get in, check emails, make calls, take calls. That's mainly what my entire day looks like. My favorite part about being an intake specialist is being the first point of contact for anybody that calls into the firm. Obviously, I like to make a really good impression on our potential clients. And my second favorite would have to be being able to help those, especially those who have been injured or have been affected by an accident. So being able to let them know that we will be able to help them, it brings joy to my day. What I least like about my job is, unfortunately, we can't take every single case. And so having to tell people that we are unable to help them, there's a lot of situations. Some people, they'll get into a car accident and there's no coverage. And unfortunately, we wouldn't be able to assist them in those types of cases. So having to decline people, I would say, is the toughest part of my job. So if I could switch places with anyone else or any other department, it would be an attorney. I don't think I would want to do any other thing here other than what I do or be an attorney. So for fun, I like to go to live sporting events. I'm a huge foodie, so trying new restaurants is a big thing to me. I love trying new restaurants, getting drinks with friends, and yeah.